Don't download Newton Investment Management app before watching this. If you're thinking about Newton Investment Management, pause for a second. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another all-in-one trading app, but the surprising truth is that Newton is more focused on professional portfolio management rather than investing. Newton Investment Management is designed for investors who want structured portfolios guided by expert strategies. It's not ideal if you're looking for a self-directed platform to trade individual stocks frequently. The app provides access to diversified portfolios, often optimized for risk tolerance, but hands-on control is limited. One key thing most people overlook is fees. Newton typically charges management fees based on assets under management, which can range from 0.5% to 1% annually. While this is reasonable for professional guidance, investors used to zero commission apps may find this a downside. Another factor to consider is account flexibility. Newton supports standard investment accounts, ISAs, and pension accounts, but some niche account types may not be available. Transfers from other brokers can also take time, so you need to plan ahead if you're moving large portfolios. The surprising truth is that Newton excels for investors who value expert guidance and structure investing over hands-on trading. The research-driven approach can help reduce emotional investing mistakes, but it comes at the cost of some flexibility. In conclusion, don't download Newton Investment Management if your goal is to actively pick and trade stocks or cryptocurrencies. It's best for disciplined investors who want a professionally managed portfolio with a focus on long-term growth. If you do proceed, start by understanding your risk profile, choose the right account type, and use the app to monitor progress rather than execute day trades. By aligning your expectations with the platform's strengths, you can benefit from expert management while avoiding common pitfalls that frustrate day traders.